Hi guys, welcome back to Jolie Knots. I am Crystal. I am going to do, I'm going to check some questions with the pendulum. And see, I just filmed a video for one that is non-political about the plane crashes, Super Bowl, and Mardi Gras. So you can go check that one out. But this one is going to be more political for those who don't want to see political ones, or for those who only care about political answers and responses. Okay. Just remember that this is for entertainment purposes only. If I am, well, everybody has free will. So whatever answers we get, nothing is 100%, okay? Just remember that. Okay, where to start with? I just literally started filming a pendulum video yesterday, so give me a little bit of time and I'll work out my tweaks. I don't mind any constructive criticism, that's okay, but please be kind in the comments. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also leave any questions that you would like me to ask in the comments. Okay, first, in the 2024 presidential election for the United States, was there vote tampering? Yes. Thank you. Did Mamala actually win the presidential race? Strong yes. Thank you. When will the voting tampering be known to the public? When will this news be released to the public? Will this news be released to the public in March? Yes. What is the percentage likelihood that this news will be released to the public in March? %70. Entertainment purposes only, you guys. Is it 100% sure that Mamala will go back to the White House as the head of the U.S.? Strong yes. What year will this happen? Sorry guys, I keep shaking my hand a little bit. You can see when the pendulum starts jiggling. That's because I'm shaking too much. What year will Mamala go back into the White House? $2025. Thank you. Is DT president? Strong no. Does DT think that he's president? Sometimes it takes a while. Plus, when I start shaking, I kind of mess up the energy for it. It's got to restart. Does DT think that he's president? No. Does DT think that Elon is president? Strong yes. Was there some sort of backdoor deal between DT and Musk's to let Musk's call the shots? Yes. Is Musk's under arrest? Yes, thank you. When will the public find out about Musk's arrest? Tuesday. What is the percentage likelihood that the public will find out about Musk's arrests on Tuesday? 70%. Will DT be arrested with Musk's? Or will DT be arrested also? Yes. Will JD be arrested as well? Yes, thank you. Wow. Okay. When is, oh, I already asked that. When is the latest, or when the public will find out DT's out? Yeah. Okay. Will Kamala be the president? Or, let's see, how do I ask this? Will there be a special election held for the President of the United States? Yes. In what month will this special election be held for the President of the United States? Oops. I think it's May. I'm a little shaky though. Okay, thank you so much, Spirit. What else did I want to ask? Did Elon have any, did Leon have anything to do with the airline control system? Did Leon have anything to do with the plane crashes in the United States in the last 9 days? Yes. What percentage at fault is Leon? He's half at fault. Thank you. Okay, guys, there you have it. Leave your questions. I'm going to be out of town for the Super Bowl, if there's a Super Bowl. But I will come back and do my thing on Monday. See you later. Bye.